Hello and welcome back to the part 2 of this 5-lesson series where you will learn how to avoid using very and replace it with more advanced English words to speak English fluently and confidently. In part 1 of this lesson series, we replaced these common English words. If you have missed watching the first part, there is a link in the description right here. Don't forget to watch part 1. Today I will cover another 10 commonly used words with very and give you much better replacements for them so that you don't sound boring in English. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new English lessons. You excited to learn? Let's get started. Number 1 on the list is very quick. You could say rapid, rapid, rapid. The stress is on the first part of the word, rapid. You can't make rapid decisions when it comes to making investments. Of course, with investments, you can't be rapid. After all, it's money at stake. So, that was rapid. Next up at number 2, very perfect. I am sure we all say this all the time. You could instead say flawless, flawless. Something that's without any imperfection or fault is flawless, flawless, flawless. The room service at the hotel is flawless. It's relatively rapid. At number 3, we have very shy. You can say timid. The pronunciation is timid, timid. One more time. Timid. Excellent. She's timid and lacks confidence while meeting new people. That's timid. Number 4, very thirsty. You can say, I am parched. Parched. The pronunciation is parched. It's a one-syllable word, parched. You don't pronounce ed at the end of the word. You say a soft T sound. Say it with me. Parched. Parched. After an hour-long run in the park, I was totally parched and exhausted. Next up, we have very hurt. How can you replace this basic English word? You can say, I was battered. Battered. When you are significantly hurt, you are battered. That's battered. For example, her angry words battered his feelings deeply. Battered. Number 6. Very open. You could replace it with transparent. That's transparent. I was hoping you could consider my suggestions with a transparent mind. I am sure we would reach an agreement soon. Transparent. Up next is very powerful. You could instead say compelling. The pronunciation is compelling. Compelling. One more time. Compelling. Something that has a strong reason to believe is compelling. An argument or a movie can be compelling. I found the whole movie compelling. I don't mind watching it again. 8. Very shiny. We can replace it with gleaming. That's gleaming. gleaming. It's simple. Anything that's smooth and shiny is gleaming. It's a better word to use instead of very shiny. The car was gleaming after a wax polish. It seemed as if it was new. At number 9, we have very talented. You can say gifted. Gifted. An example, Ron is a uniquely gifted singer. His voice adds magic to the lyrics. Gifted. Do you know someone who is uniquely gifted with some talent? Let me know in the comments. Moving on, we have very worried. It can be replaced with depressed. Pretty simple, huh? Depressed. Ria is depressed about her speaking test. She needs to score a band 8 to get into a top university in the UK. Well, you don't have to worry about your English speaking skills. You have already gathered some fantastic English words. Go out there and flaunt your English. Use these words and speak English fluently and confidently. Let's quickly revise what we've learned. Very quick, rapid, very perfect, flawless, very shy, timid, very thirsty, parched, very hurt, battered, very open, transparent, very powerful, compelling, very shiny, gleaming, very talented, gifted, very worried, depressed. That's all for today. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss such engaging English lessons. I will see you soon with the next part of this lesson series. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye!